empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today's video I'm basically going to be showing you how I was able to make this Fulani braided wig without using any frontal. Yes, I didn't use any frontal. I didn't have to go through any stress to start ventilating a frontal from the start. It was just very easy. Trust me, you want to see the method that I use for this, because this is the easiest and simplest way to making braided wigs. If this is something that interests you, do make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. Without further ado, let's just move on to this video. So I went ahead to use my sewing machine to just sew down my frontal to my wig cap, and then I use my chalk to highlight the back. You can do like 2 inches until you get to the very top. This is just so that I can have a clear understanding on how to do the back properly, and then and also to like portion it very well so that the back won't be very weighty. So you want to start by taking just a little strand of the braid extension. I use an expression for this super braid, and I use I use the 1 pack of super braid and then half of rich braid for this wig. This wig is just very as in the result was so amazing, especially the fact that I didn't have to do too much ventilating. I didn't have to start doing a lot of work. It was just very easy, and I feel like this method will work for you guys, especially if you're looking for a low budget wig and the fact that you have to go through much stress to making them. So yeah, just keep on watching so that you can clearly understand how I was doing this part.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Empty hearts and neon lights.
So this is what I meant by not doing too much ventilating. I just did a little, should I say 1 inch of the front part, just so that I can have this natural hairline kind of look. And because this is a Fulani braid, there's another method I'm going to use for this, so just keep on watching. So I'm just going to show you the way I did my ventilating. I didn't do this 1 line 1 hole kind of method. I was basically just ventilating, like, should I say, in a scattered way. Like, there was no particular arrangement of lines, no particular one at all. And because I was using this way to do it, it was very fast for me, because I was not picking, like, pick 1 hole and skip the next, pick the other one and skip the next. I was just ventilating all and on, just to give it that natural hairline. I don't know if you get what I mean, but that is why I zoomed in, so that you can clearly see what I meant by not having that arranged kind of method when it comes to ventilating a frontal. So this is what I did, and you can see how fast it is. Like, it's not even taking me so much of a time to get to the front part and to even finish it up. So this is what I meant by not, going through much stress when it comes to making a braided wig. And because this is a Fulani braid, I was going to just use the my pencil to just line the back of the hairline. Just keep on watching so that I clearly understand it.
Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
So this is what I meant by using the pencil to just line the back. This is just so that you can have a proper, like a clear understanding, a clear direction on how to do your crochets when crocheting. So just keep on watching so that you can clearly understand what I meant by having a clear understanding on how to do your crochets.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to last. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.